Hey, what's up with Earn Easy Commissions? Alright guys, I want to shoot this quick video talking about a new money-making opportunity. I guess it's picking up some traction, picking up some steam lately. It's called Earn Easy Commissions. Now the whole thing is based on basically what I just said, how to earn easy commissions. But I actually signed up for it. It's free to sign up for, right? So the whole thing is basically how you can start making money for free. That's kind of like how they advertise it a little bit. How you can actually start earning $1 for every every sign up that you get. All right, you get $1. So the whole thing is like you can earn $1, over and over and over again, and watch that, it build up over time. So that's kind of like the gimmick behind it. And it is free to join. It is free to sign up, right? Which is cool. So out of curiosity, I'm like, yo, what's up with this? This look pretty cool. It look new, look fresh. All right, let me check it out. So I signed up for a free account. Now you're probably wondering, if you watch the sales page, they do talk about how you can earn, these, small affiliate commissions. But then you see where these people are making tons and tons of money. It's advertised that you can make 6 figures a year. So common sense, you're going to look at that like, wait a minute. How the hell am I going to make 6 figures a year with just $1? You know what I'm saying? Per referral, right? Let me tell you, how it goes down. Once you join up for free, you go through the program, you go through the system, and you notice it's set up where for you to earn bigger and bigger commissions, you have to go up different levels, right? So you have to pay for different levels. So for example, when you're free, you have a free account, you can earn $1 per referral that qualifies, right? So they got to be a legit email address, and they got to live in one of the top tier countries, Canada, America, so on and so on, right? So they got to qualify. Now, if you want to earn $50, if you want to earn $50 commissions, you have to upgrade to, I forget what it's called, like maybe the pro level or some level, whatever. So for you to qualify to get $50 commissions, you have to go to the pro level, right? Which means you have to pay, I think it's $100. So you pay $100. Once you pay that $100 one time, you'll get $50 commissions for everybody that joins under you and that decide to upgrade. You'll get that 50% commission. And then to go to, there's a second level, which is $500, right? You pay $500, and then for every person that joins underneath you, they do go to the first level, then they go to your level. I think you get like $200 or $250 or whatever. So you get that, right? Then there's one more level, right? And it's $2,000. So a lot of people probably just cutting the video now, but wait, I'm gonna give you my opinion on it. It's $2,000 to get to the third level. So you pay $2,000, and then for everybody that comes after you, and they upgrade, they pay the 50, they pay the 500, and then if they pay 2,000, you get 1,000, right? That's how it's set up. So you're probably wondering, well, what the hell do you get for all these different levels you go to? Well, it does break it down. When you for each level, you can watch the videos, and you do get like the first, the $100 level you get on, they give you like basically some sort of training and XYZ. Then the second level, they give you like more training, and they hook you up with all these different affiliate products that's hooked up. They give you like an autoresponder, funnels, all these different things that they give you on the $100 level. And then the $500 level, they give you more tools, more opportunities to earn affiliate commissions. And then obviously the $2,000 one, just a whole bunch of stuff, blah, blah, blah. Now, initially, I must say that if you're a newbie, right, complete newbie, or been struggling for a while, it does look cool. Why I say this is because at the $100 level, they do set your account up, right, where they hook you up with other affiliate programs like autoresponders and different courses that automatically they create easy commissions, actually creates affiliate links for you. So essentially, when you get people underneath you and they upgrade, they're going to be, potentially buying, from you, and it's set up where you should be earning commissions all the time from numerous places. That is where the whole idea of making 6 figures a year from this product comes from. The idea of you upgrading a couple times and then having people underneath you come through your funnels and everything, and they're going to be offered different products with your affiliate link. So it makes sense. It honestly makes sense. But what throws me is, like, once you get to that $2,000 point, I'm kind of like, I ain't feeling that, right? To be honest with you, 2,000, and you're still, you're going to be going through somebody else's funnel, right? So you're supposed to be buying autoresponders and traffic courses, right? Giving someone else commissions, right? Along the way, on top of the fact that you just paid $500 or $2,000 to get that top ranking. So that right there, I kind of ain't feeling. The whole overall idea initially looking at it makes sense. But especially for people new to the game, like, they're not trying to spend, $60 a month on autoresponders and pay for $80 traffic courses on top of just paying a one-time fee of $2,000. I see it's not necessary. But with all that being said, I've seen lately that, because I had my link and I was going to offer it to you guys and say if you want to join, but I was only on the main level, so I would only got $1 anyway, because I didn't pursue the other levels. But I was going to actually have my link and share it with you guys and whatever. But lately I kind of seen where they've been having issues right now. They are a new company, so whatever. But they've been having little issues lately with, their commission tracking and people underneath other people, and people are missing out on commissions. So to hell with that. I'm not throwing my link out. Maybe in 6 months or something, if I see they doing better and they doing good, I'm good. I'm straight, right? If you want to make affiliate commissions, I'll put a link to ClickBank University. You can check that out, and it's $47 to get started with that. And they're supposed to teach you how to build, a 6-figure a year business. You can check that out if you want, instead of paying $2,000. Or you could check out my Genesity, link in the description, of course, my Genesity business I'm involved in, and not paying $2,000 a month or even $500. To me, that's not necessary. But on top of the fact that they're having issues with paying people, I'm good, right? So that's my take on earn easy commissions. But like I said, if you know something different, leave some comments, leave some feedback. Maybe you making a ton of money with them. It's all good. But that's my take on it. All right. So hopefully you comment, share. You can even ask some questions. It's all good. But definitely definitely subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn how to make a full-time income online, join ClickBank University. Link in the description.